2 months of keeping chickens. This video is about the costs and how my life has changed in those 2 months. And if you want to know what is missing in your life, just stick with it. OMG. Let's start with the most important thing, the eggs. They started very small, but they get bigger and bigger. Their laying performance is also steadily increasing. In 2 months, they laid 140 eggs. That's about 60 euro. But there will be more to report on the numbers and data later on. Just stick with it. Every morning I start by removing the little dinosaurs' manure. It shouldn't really be done daily, but I want to. I put the manure in a bucket of homemade biochar. This absorbs the odors and the nutrients and later become terra preta. It turns out the biggest challenge is looking after Mishka because he still thinks it is his cat's house. And of course he has to keep inspecting what the girls are doing. And the next step is to check about the eggs. Sometimes there are already some in the morning.
Oh, so ein großes Ei habe ich noch nie gehabt. Hä? Ja, nicht recht.
Let's get to the facts and figures. Ridge band 15 euros, A anchors 55 euros, ridge plate 8 euros, sinus roof brackets and screws 17 euros, diomid kieselgur 29 euro, lime paint 22 euro, gate latch 21 euro, gate hinges 30 euro, ventilation grills 36 euro, door fittings 9 euro, hinges 12, seal profile 19, storage gravel 24, pigstone 34, straw 46, chicken feed 43, clamshells 16 and a shit shovel 17 euro. In addition, there are wooden beams, screws, mesh, corrugate panel, roofing felt and electric gate. I still had the roof tiles, cement, gravel, steel beams, lamps, cables, screws, nails, OSB boards, insulation wall and all the filler wood left over from building the house. Altogether is about 1,200 euro. In addition, there is feed, bedding, the chickens and small items which amounts to another 250 euro. So the total cost of having chicken on Easter is 1,500 euro. Including the ongoing costs, the chicken will have to lay eggs for 5 years to recoup the costs. So why do you invest such a big amount of money to get your own eggs? The chickens are incredible help in converting organic matter into fertilizer. You can give them almost anything non-toxic that you can find in the garden and they will gratefully turn it into shit. Even these creatures are incredible stupid. It's a joy to watch them. Giving them meat is very controversial, even though they will naturally eat small animals. They behave like predators when giving meat, and this can negatively affect their character. Meat is okay, but I wouldn't do it again. Please let me know in the comments what your experience with meat have been. Ow! And chickens lay eggs. That's what it's all about in the end. What else can chicken do besides destroy turf?
Oh, da kommt das UFO.
They can dance, entertain and get fed.
Und nein. Ja, genau. Das ist jetzt ganz schön fett geworden. So, und das, du bist ganz schön fett geworden. Ja, die wäre später mal geschlagen. Du auch. Ruhig. Du nicht. Du nicht. Du bist noch ganz drin. Du auch nicht. Ja, du. Hab's wieder verpennt, hä? Komm, nein.
Or you might have to go out again at night because they were late for the gate again.
Geht's schon? Hopp. Bleib im Loch.
They can provide a reason to socialize with the neighbors. The goofiness can sometimes be very entertaining. They're ideal for destroying weeds and loosening the soil.
Läufst du mir hinten nach, oder wie? Da drin war alles zum Lecker für dich, gell? Da war alles lecker.
They're affectionate and constantly follow you around.
Da muss ich aufpassen, dass die da nicht irgendwo... Ja, umlassen geht.
And they provide Mishka with some entertainment. If you're wondering why I add water to the eggs, it provides more heat from above. It helps them cook faster on top and stay liquid in the inside. But one point is by far the most important. You know what is in it, because everything your chicken eat will later end up in your eggs. So feed them the best ingredients and lots of herbs and get something that's good for your body. And it tastes so much better than industrial products. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I would also be very happy about a comment. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.